Gentlemen. And then there's Adam Cole, a man who always has a plan A, a plan B. He's got everything all the way up to plan Z. You will not find a more prepared superstar.
You won't find a more conniving superstar either.
Lights out. DDT connects. Super kick. Good night. Point of the elbow, nailed it. Whoa, he works his way out. He's got him where he wants it, buddy. Powerbomb. He's in control. Not yet. Neckbreaker. Oh. A series of low kicks. Uh-oh.
Carl Anderson with a nice reversal.
Drop kick. Running bulldog. Jawbreaker. Call it Dennis.
Gotta find a way to get out of this.
Big time escape right there.
Just when you think your opponent was neutralized.
DDT. Oh, man. Watch this here. Big time gut buster across the shoulder. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Northern Lights bomb. Spinning arm breaker.
For the first time tonight, AJ Styles is looking to fly.
Oh, my God, what a move. Oh, again. Oh, right to the side of the face.
Backbreaker flawlessly executed. Well measured.
Oh. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Close quarters.
Situations like this usually don't end very pleasantly.
Oh, God, face first. Not looking good, guys.
Carl Anderson with a nice reversal.
AJ Styles made it pay there. Big time. What to the body, that hurt. Oh, no, we've got a problem here, guys. Adam Cole with the fireman's carry.
Oh, he just barely getting out of the way.
Lariat.
Too quick to catch him there.
Clothesline to the back of the neck. Incredible striking combination. The O'Reilly combo. Nasty impact. And the Lou Thesz press. Piston like rights. Kick right to the leg. Ooh, that hurt. That kidney. Hallelujah. Super kick. No, what a lariat.
Almost took his head off.
A neck breaker. So neck breaker. He's going to the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Northern Lights bomb.
How did he do that? Here it comes. Looking for. Look at this.
There's a cover. Could be it. AJ Styles with a nice reversal.
I'm stunned by O'Reilly remaining in this match.
Don't be surprised, Byron. I knew it was going to happen this way all along. The end is in view.
Did you guys feel that too?
And now Rochester.
He may get the 3 count right there.
Maybe not.
The breakup.
Look at this. Nicely done as he gets out of the submission.
Calling me surprised, Michael. I did not see that one coming.
He's in big trouble. AJ Styles rolls through.
He somehow breaks free.
Adam Cole looking to end this.
Back between the ropes.
Looking for it. Submission move.
Oh, there it is. It's it.
Will this be it?
Here we go. Start the count.
1, 2. Any more punch? Adam Cole gets the win, baby!
That match deserves another look, folks. Remember this? Yeah, he's putting in the work. Took on some damage there, but was still able to pick up the win.
This is one of those wins you don't forget anytime soon.
There's no denying that was a survivor.
Fearless.